guys, hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the layer division. So what is layer division? So the layer division should be like this: 124 divided by 31 divided by 10 divided by 2. So this is the layer division. So here we are going to follow the simple technique. 124 divided by, we have to multiply these three numbers. So 31 into 10 into 2 is equal to 124 divided by 31 into, this one is 20, and 124 divided by 31 into 20 is equal to 620. We just do the usual division here. So 124 divided by 620 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, which is equivalent to 0.2. Yeah, so this is the answer for this. 0.2 is the answer for this layer division. Yeah, that's all. Hope you learned how to solve this technique. If you are new here, kindly check out all of the videos, and if you found useful, subscribe the channel. Thank you and keep learning.